Hello artists! Today we will be making these Keith Haring inspired rhythm drawings. So what is rhythm? Rhythm is the movement or flow artists create in their artwork. Now, rhythm is different from patterns. Patterns are predictable. Take a look at this painting by Andy Warhol. We can predict if the painting were to extend beyond the edges of this photo, that the Campbell's soup can would be repeated over and over. There's also no movement in this painting. Take a look at the soup cans. Do they look like they're gonna move, or do they look like they're sitting quietly in their seats? Rhythm is similar to patterns because we are repeating an image, but it is not predictable. Take a look at this painting by Piet Mondrian. We can see that there is boxes all over the painting that are being repeated, but it is not predictable. So if the boxes were to have gone off the edge of this painting, we would not know where they would go. The rhythm in this painting also allows our eye to jump around like a grasshopper, looking at all the different boxes. It seems as if the boxes are moving fast across the painting. Take a look at this painting by Vincent van Gogh. The movement of the clouds and stars in the sky seems slow, like it's slowly moving across the painting. So for this project, you'll need to get a piece of paper, and then we are going to pick one of our movement characters to draw for this project. So I chose my upside down guy that's doing a handstand, and then I did the same steps as we did in the last project. I'm drawing my fence around my stick figure, and then I'm going back in with an eraser and erasing my stick figure. Please note that I am drawing my stick figure very big, so it takes up the whole page. It's very important that we do this. So now I'm going in with a Sharpie and I'm outlining my character. Now we are going to make what is called echo waves. So basically we are outlining our character, and then we are going to make another outline around the echo outline we have just made. And we are going to continue this step until we fill up the whole paper. Notice how I'm letting my lines go off the paper. Now that I have filled up my whole page, I'm going to go back in with a Sharpie and outline all the lines I had just made. Using a pencil, I'm going to start to draw my patterns in each echo wave. So in this one, I am drawing the wave pattern, and now I am moving on to the next echo wave and drawing my polka dots. In this next echo wave, I'm drawing polka dots, but they are all in different sizes. Now I'm using my ruler and drawing my grid pattern. And I am making sure that the lines match up. And now for my last pattern, I'm drawing little swirly lines. And now I'm going back in with my marker and I'm coloring in all my patterns. So I'm first going to start at the most inner pattern around my character. And then I'm going to work my way out, coloring in these polka dots. Now I'm coloring in the other polka dot pattern. Notice how I'm filling these polka dots in with color, so they are different from the other polka dots. Now with a marker, I'm going over my grid pattern and I'm using a ruler to help me keep straight lines. If you don't have a ruler, you can use a notebook or the edge of something that is straight. And now coloring in my swirl pattern. So once I have all my patterns colored in on my drawing, I'm going to go back in and add some details. So I decided to turn my grid pattern into checkers. So for checkers, I am alternating, coloring in every other square. So now I'm going to color in my character. I'm just going to keep my character one solid color, just like Keith Haring did. I chose pink because pink is my favorite color, so you can color in your character with your favorite color. Now I am using a crayon and I am going to color in every other wavy line, almost creating a sea or wave-like pattern. Now I'm using a yellow crayon and I am coloring the background of the purple polka dots. Now I'm using a pink crayon and I'm coloring the inside of the red polka dots. I wanted to make sure these polka dots looked different from my purple polka dots. Last but not least, I'm adding my action lines, just like Keith Haring would for his characters. So I am adding some action lines by my character's feet and hands and head, so it looks like they just pushed up into a handstand. So this is the completed project. There's a bunch of different patterns going on and it looks like it's moving outwards from our character. I hope everyone enjoys this project and good luck.